Hi, my lovelies. I am Joy. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make these delicious, yummy almond cookies for your breakfast. It is very easy to make with simple ingredients. Stay tuned. Let's make it together. So let's get started. In the bowl, I have 180 grams of almond flour. To it, I will add 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it up. Then set it aside. In another clean dry bowl, I'm going to put 150 grams of softened butter. To it, I will add 50 grams of powdered sugar. Whisk them together. At this point, I'm going to crack in 1 raw egg and continue mixing until they are well incorporated. Now I'll be adding the flour mixture. With the help of my wooden spatula, I'm going to mix them until dough is formed. For the full list of these ingredients, check out the description box below, okay? I'll be wrapping the dough with plastic wrap. Then transfer it to the refrigerator and leave it for 30 minutes. Here is the dough 30 minutes later. Before I start rolling the dough, I cover it with parchment paper to avoid sticking. With the help of my rolling pin, I'm going to flat the dough. Here I have my baking sheet greased and lined up with parchment paper. Watch me carefully and see how I cut and shape the cookies. I transfer them to the baking tray one after the other. At this point, I'll be placing almond on top of the cookies. After that, I'll be transferring it to the preheated oven and bake it for about 18 to 20 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. Our cookies are ready, golden brown in color, and the aroma is amazing. Look at how crunchy it is. Oh my goodness. This is very easy and simple to prepare. Trust me, if you try this recipe at home, your children will request for more. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you for watching. Till next time, eat healthy and stay safe. Bye.